in the Slater Income Fund, you invest in 3 different types of income shares.
Yes.
I was hoping you could go through each one of those and give some 1 or 2 stock examples for each.
All of the companies we own generate a decent yield, but we categorise the fund into 3 broad categories. One is a sort of growth style category where the growth rates won't be as high as they would be in our core growth strategy, but they'll still be growth style companies. So, examples in that area at the moment would be, well, 2 very good examples are in the bowling sector. We own Ten Entertainment and Hollywood Bowl. Both of those are generating fantastic cash flows. They're paying great dividend yields, and they're trading very cheaply on an earnings basis as well. So they offer decent growth, chance of a re-rating in the multiple, and a decent yield. The second category is what we would call our cyclical category. So these are more cyclical businesses where we're being paid to wait for things to get better. A couple of examples there. STV Group, which is the Scottish ITV franchise. That business, it is cyclical. It's not easy at the moment in that sector. It's a very well managed business. And it's on a very low multiple of earnings, and again, a very attractive yield. So we're being paid good money to sit there and wait for things to improve. Another example would be Ocean Wilson's, which is a Brazilian business, quoted in London, traded at a 40% discount to asset value, 6.5% dividend yield. It owns very strategic assets, ports and those sort of things in Brazil. The third category is what we would call dividend stalwarts. And these are companies that really define themselves by their dividend, where the dividend growth rates are likely to be lower, but more reliable. So one would be Legal & General, the big insurance company, has a very high dividend yield. Another, at the smaller end, a company called Strix, which makes the things in the kettle, the controls and kettles, amongst other things. Again, that business is actually growing nicely, but it pays out a very high dividend yield, which is very attractive.